Many types of animation require an expression. Expressions let you manipulate the data gathered from devices and make it more meaningful by comparing it to other values, combining it with other values, creating cause and effect relationships between values, or displaying it. You can build expressions using tag values, constants, mathematical equations, security functions, and if-then-else logic. A tag can be included as part of an expression or stand alone as the entire expression. An expression that is simply a tag name returns the current value of the tag. The Tags button opens the tag browser, where you can specify a tag as part of an expression. Although you can type the expression in the expression box, it is recommended you use the expression editor to reduce the likelihood of errors in tag syntax and other elements of an expression. The expression button opens the expression editor. In addition to controlling animations with tags, the expression editor can be used to add precision to a configured animation control by specifying the conditions under which animation occurs. The expression editor has buttons that help you form expressions correctly. Use the expression editor to create if-then-else statements, logical statements, for example, and, or, not, relational statements, for example, greater than, less than, arithmetic statements, for example, addition, subtraction, bitwise statements, for example, and, or, XOR, bit shift instructions, functional statements, for example, advanced mathematical functions, security codes. The Functions window lists all the mathematical and other tag functions that can be used in expressions. Important: if you are combining relational statements and logical statements in an expression, be sure to enclose the complete relational statements in parentheses. The check syntax feature will determine if the expression you created is valid. If an expression is not valid, the software indicates the location or locations of the invalid information. Here is a guided activity on how to create an expression with an animation in a FactoryTalk View SE application. Follow the instructions on the screen to perform the steps. Click Start when you're ready.